naniniwala kayo kay Maharlika, or they will use her name, babaguhin nila yung pangalan at in order to disparage her. But here is the thing. Why would we not? Okay? Particularly when this person has already produced documents. Nilabas po ngayong araw na ito ni Madam Maharlika yung pre-operation documents ng drug enforcement at the time. So now, balls in their court. You can no longer say na papaniwala kayo kay Maharlika. Hindi po. Pero naniniwala ako dun sa dokumento. And by the way, nakita ko po yung mga dokumento na yan. Hindi lang po siya ang may access. Pinakita din po yan sa akin ng aking source who is in law enforcement. So, kahit sabihin pa natin na hindi si Madam Maharlika yung source, na naglabas si Madam Maharlika, meron po ako, nakita ko po yung original, yung originals niyan. Copies. Scanned copies, so as good as the original. So, yun yung punto dito. And, by the way, tapos na yung linyahan na yun. Now, dun sa mga calls, alam ko na yan po ay script ng handler ninyo. Kaya nakikita namin na paulit-ulit po yung linya ninyo because you have no way, no capability, and no talent to be able to rephrase that in such a way so that you can be taken seriously. Because there is no point in saying nagpapaniwala kayo, because what you're trying to do is say that this person is not credible and therefore you are laughable for believing somebody who's not credible. But here's the problem: when she produces documents, I don't have to believe her, but I certainly will give credence to the documents.